I got some Jamaican goodies. Let's get into it together. Ooh, I got the water crackers. Oh my god. I've been dying to get my hands on some Jamaican water crackers, and look at God. Look at God. Not unlike some crackers with a little tea. Alright, so we have the crackers. Next. Oh, this is the chicken. I couldn't have gotten the all-purpose. It was out of stock, but this will make a very big difference. If you know, you know. Next. This goes without saying. And lastly, I'm not fond of the vanilla flavored Lasco. I prefer the creamy malt, but this was the only one in stock, so I got it because pear. Not like little Lasco tea, and you dip two crackers in there and you buy tea. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, so I got these 4 Jamaican goodies, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.